नमस्ते बच्चों, खुश रहिए आप लोग। मैं सर डॉक्टर शिल्पाश्री शाह, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. So today in today's class we will learn about physiotherapy management of surgical oncology. Okay, so when we heard about oncology, what we will find that oncology is the study of cancer or extra growth. Okay, so surgical oncology actually is about cancer rehabilitation. Okay, so how it is defined? It is defined as helping a person with cancer uh, to help himself or herself to obtain maximal physical, social, psychological, vocational functioning within the limit imposed by disease or its treatment. Okay, so what is our function? Our function is to rehabilitate the patient that is who is suffering from cancer or after its surgery of cancer. Okay, so cancer, we have read about cancer, right? There are different types of growth. One is benign and malignant. So malignant growth is actually the cancerous growth, not the benign. Okay, so what is the role of physiotherapy, or what is the role of rehabilitation of like surgical oncology? So our goal is depends on, first of all, what will happen in the cancer patient. What we have seen that the quality of life of patient deteriorate, right? So that's why our main function is to improve the quality of life. In quality of life we will found two type, like physical function and psychological function. Okay, so quality of life is defined as individual's perception of his position in life, okay, in the context of the culture and value system in which he lives and in relation to his goal, expectation, standard and concern. Okay, so owing to the potential progressive nature of cancer, it is rehabilitation goal will be restorative, supportive, palliative and preventive. Okay, so successful outcome depend upon timely recognition of functional problem and prompt referral for rehabilitation. Fine. Next, the rehabilitation aims or restorative care aims to return the individual premorbid function within a minimum of functional impairment. Okay, that means the functional impairment will not hamper the so that the functional impairment will not hamper the patient's life. Okay, next is supportive care, which aims to reduce functional difficulty. Okay, the functional difficulty that will be present after this surgery, we have to limit that and compensate for permanent deficits. Okay, next is palliative treatment, which is usually of the terminal patient, works to eliminate or reduce complication, especially pain. Okay, and the last one is preventive rehabilitation, which would include, for example, preoperative education of patient, like we have to tell the patient what are the complication can be happen, and for to prevent that complication, how you can do some measures, or you can follow some measure or exercise that will help you to prevent that complication that can be that is actually happen in case of surgery. Okay, so we will ask the patient to or you will educate the patient to regarding maintenance of strength and range of motion of upper and lower extremity after breast surgery. Okay, so these are the rehabilitative goal or aims. Okay, so common rehabilitation problems seen in cancer patients are chemotherapy or radiotherapy included side effect like myopathies, neuropathies, pain, edema. Okay, then fatigue, okay, immobility, bone destruction, depression. Okay, then systemic specific problem. Okay, system specific problem, etc. So chemotherapy side effects especially include vomiting, then fatigue, nausea, hair loss, susceptibility to infection, decreased blood cell or count. Okay, mouth sore or ulcer, etc. Next is decreased blood cell count, which how we can given the rehabilitation program for decreasing blood cell count, we can increase total hemoglobin and RBC, which enhance oxygen carrying capacity. Possibly by like we can go for that exercise. Okay, like aerobic exercise. Okay, like that we can help the patient. Okay. Then is radiation therapy, which can cause skin or soft tissue fibrosis. Okay, effects of radiation also include loss of elasticity or vascularity or moisture, tissue thickening, etc. Okay, so we have to go through the rehabilitation of patient. Okay, so fatigue is another complication of that surgical oncology patient. So it is defined as feeling of extraordinary exhaustion associated with a high level of distress and disproportionate to the patient's activity. Okay, and is not relieved by sleep or rest. So that's why the patients will go through inactivity, their quality of life will decrease. Okay, so this cancer related fatigue will have to manage through aerobic exercise. Okay, energy conservation technique, that means as we know that due to fatigue the patient will not be able to do activities, so access or they will get fatigue easily. That's why we have to educate the patient about energy conservation technique. Okay, then the rest or sleep pattern, stress management, nutritional management, etc. Okay, then for myopathy we can use adaptive equipment like for pain relieving. Okay, we can use different modalities. Okay, or different techniques or manual therapy to help the patient. Okay. Next, for pain rehabilitation, as I told, for pain rehabilitation also you can use heat modalities. Okay, not in the area of cancer, or if there is malignant tumor, you never cannot use that. Never can use that electrical modalities. Okay, you have to be cautious. So these are some rehabilitative procedure of patient with surgical oncology. So what we have learned today, that what is cancer and the type of cancer, that is benign and malignant. Malignant is the cancerous growth, and if there is surgical option or of treatment of cancer, then we have to take the patient for rehabilitative procedure so that he can live a healthy life. Okay, so for that rehabilitative goals are there. Okay, so we have to be very much conscious about the quality of life of patient, and how we will manage through different various exercise or various technique to modify the quality of life. Okay, and we can restore the functional capacity. Okay, we can take the patient for prevention of various complication. Then we can prevent also the pain that the patient can go through. Okay, so this is all about surgical oncology. Okay, you have to go through the book. For any query or any question related to this disease, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Kushriya.